Every precision device begins deep within the earth. Raw elements are broken down to begin their transformation. From extraction, the journey moves toward refinement. Impurities are stripped away with force and precision. Only the finest material moves forward. Transformation begins at the molecular level. Energy reshapes matter into pure metal. Strength is engineered through precise composition. Automation ensures flawless consistency. Raw strength becomes refined precision. Temperature is controlled to lock in structural integrity. Every surface is refined to perfection. Precision is verified down to microns. Form begins to take shape. Engineering meets absolute precision. Details define the experience. Purity is achieved at a microscopic level. Preparation sets the stage for durability. Color and resilience are fused into the metal. Only perfection moves forward. Even the smallest flaw is never overlooked. Parallel processes craft every essential component. Strength is built through controlled extremes. Accuracy shapes every edge. Clarity meets precision craftsmanship. Vision is engineered at a microscopic scale. Intelligence is built layer by layer. Power is carefully contained and controlled. Every detail plays a role in the final experience. All elements come together in perfect harmony. The brain is secured with absolute accuracy. Precision optics find their place. The interface becomes one with the body. Design and durability merge into a single form. Protection is built into every seam. Life begins with a spark of energy. Software brings intelligence to life. Every function is tested under precision conditions. Only flawless devices earn approval. Protection is applied before the journey begins. Every detail extends beyond the device itself. Presentation meets precision. Identity is assigned to every unit. Every product is tracked with precision. Efficiency drives large-scale production. Prepared for the journey ahead. Logistics ensures seamless distribution.
Okay, guided in, steady. Got it, lowering now. Strap it down tight. Secured, ready for the next.
Ready to reach the world. And this is how modern factories produce the iPhone 17 Pro Max from start to finish.